How's it going, folks? We're back again with another video. And you might recognize the setting behind us.
Yeah, which we haven't been in a while.
But it's been forever since we've been down here. And, of course, we've got Blackjack.
Oh, how is this still hot? This was put in here like 2 hours ago.
So what are we doing today?
That. What we have here is a Schwinn. Well, I don't really know what brand made the Bigmo chopper, but it is more or less a Schwinn Stingray. And what I am doing is I'm doing a restoration of this, but I'm also adding a twist to it. So it's more or less it's a heritage rat rod restoration. More or less, as you see, it's being repainted and it's going to be painted nice. And this is actually one of the nicest fucking projects I have actually right now. It has better paint than the Jeep does right here. Which is saying something because the Jeep I've had for almost 2 years now and it's fully reliable. But what this is going to do is this is going to be a muscle bike hot rod cruiser. I'm actually going to look online for the old Springer front suspension that they make that's like really weird and hard to find for choppers. I'm going to try to get that. I'm going to try to get another fleet tire for the front of that. But because that front tire is pretty much fucking bald at this point. But,
What color is it?
Not what you think.
Oh, well,
Definitely not what you think.
they can still act that way.
But, anyway, the paint, this was just painted. This is their first coat. But
I think it looks good,
the
though.
paint looks fucking fantastic. I have wheel bearing issues with this rear wheel, so this might be the last ride for this rear wheel. I'm just gonna say that now.
I also do have an update video.
I farted this.
Shocker.
Oh.
Anyway, as I was saying, the update video. Shut up.
I was down here and I didn't use ventilation and I spray painted, so like asphyxiated on spray paint things.
Okay, you see this? Let them see it. I will throw this at you.
Oh my god, that's one of the original discs.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
But let's just say, for the Lone Wolf Crusaders, we're moving base once again.
Just to tell you now, we're probably going to be both high because I have to
We'll just remember afterwards we're going up to, what is that, Dollar General? But, yeah, we're moving base once again. My mom and her boyfriend went down to Tyrone to look at a house. And it's a 3-bedroom, single car garage. And Blackjack, of course, is moving in with us. So, more or less, this might be the last video for a while. Because my mom's boyfriend is going to his bank Tuesday to apply for a loan, which he shouldn't have a problem getting just because his credit is amazing.
That'd be fucking great.
And I'm going to have to remember not to watch... Oh, lovely. But, so, which he shouldn't have a problem getting just because his credit's good, and I'm going to have to remember not to watch this at my house.
Why?
Because my grandpa has no idea that we're moving. She has no idea. Oh, hey, guess what I found over here? Do you remember that Ford pickup I gave you?
Oh, the fucking... No, I bought that, remember?
Oh, that's right. That's the one you bought. Oh, wait, hey, I found the Chevy that I gave you.
Oh, you didn't give me that. You murdered it in my basement. You murdered it in my basement and legally made me responsible for its remains.
I don't even know where the rest of it is.
Gone?
And then there's the Ford that we threw off the back porch.
Wait, that's down here?
Well, no, but I'm saying that one's upstairs somewhere.
Damn it. What a tornado. Yeah, this updated now has Down syndrome.
Shocker. Just don't play any music because of copyright. So, more or less, this will be coming with us. I'm pretty sure we're going to take this sign too.
Yeah.
We're taking the Booze Boulevard one. We are definitely taking this.
Taking everything down here with my grandfather. That includes the fucking beer light, the goddamn shit over there on the fucking wall, the goddamn cool ass lights that were back there that Ron probably stole.
Probably.
Or somebody probably fucking took them, I don't know. Probably taking the weight machine here, putting it in the garage so we can work the fuck out, or in the basement even.
I don't know if it has a basement, so we're gonna have to wait on that.
It's a fucking house, dude. It's gonna have a basement.
We don't know that.
It's not a trailer.
A lot of houses don't have basements.
99.9% of all houses have basements.
I would love to take this with us.
The bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lost cause. We're building one.
Yeah. And I don't want to actually redneck it. I want to do it proper. But
That's a one grade. I hate my life.
But more or less, we're moving. So, and I'm not saying where because I'm pretty sure Ron watches our videos. So I'm not saying where we're moving to. But for video's sake, we'll say Claysburg. Can you shut up?
No. I've drank a lot of NOS.
Oh, yeah. So, but we're going to end it here because he's being retarded and he wants to play music and we can't play music because of copyright.
Oh, got my eyes.
I seen that. It squirted everywhere. Oh. Dude, you're getting the floor wet. Jesus, I'm done.
The silence.
I'm done.
I need a new one of these.
But, alright. We're leaving, so, later.